How's it going, everyone? I want to take a minute of your time and walk you through a trade we caught on NQ during my live today. A very simple setup. All it took was some patience. So let's just get right with it here. This was the opening 5-minute candle of the New York session. We had this weird push down, right? This candle here broke out of the range. Some could possibly argue that it was a short setup, right, for the orb, but not for me. It wasn't quite what I wanted to see. So I said, okay, patience will pay us this morning, everyone. So finally, we got this big push up here, created this nice bullish fair value gap. The only time I really use these is for entries, right? Helps to kind of guide your entry. But anyways, we pulled back to this midline. That's where we took our long entry. One thing that I really liked about this was there wasn't a huge increase in volume, right? So that told me, we could bounce. This was worth trying. I got in right here. I set my stop at the bottom of this zone here. It was either a stop there or at the bottom of this candle, which was a little more risk than I was willing to take on this trade. And it being a short week, we got in, had a nice push up, we trimmed. Next trim was at point of control right here. When we came back up and retested it, I knew there was a chance that we would reject it. That's why I took another trim there. Then I ended up trailing my stop up, and this candle here came down just enough to grab my runner that was in profits, the stop on my runner. Then you can see it made the move. Anyways, still a really good trade. We're nearly on a 2-week winning streak together, which I'm really proud of after coming out of the tough market we had before then. And I want to take a minute just to invite you all to my live in the morning here on YouTube. It's going to start around 9:15 a.m. ET. Would love to have you. Bring your questions, your good vibes, and let's crush it together. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.